In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product to your Gumroad account, a process that's straightforward and quick. The first step is to head over to Gumroad's website. Once you're on their homepage, look towards the top right corner for the login option and click on it. Now you'll be presented with several login choices, but we recommend selecting Google for a seamless experience. After choosing Google, pick the account you'd like to proceed with. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard. You'll see a menu option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on this to view your existing product lineup and to add new items. Following that, you'll find a button labeled New Product. This button initiates the creation of a new product, so let's click on it to begin. You'll then be prompted to enter a product name. Think about a name that's both catchy and descriptive for your audience. Gumroad will ask you to specify the type of product you're adding. Be sure to select digital product if that's what applies to your offering. This is crucial as it determines the transactional logistics. Next, you'll need to set the financial parameters for your product. Start by selecting the currency you'd like to price your product in. Consider where most of your customers are based to make an informed choice here. Entering the product price comes next. Ensure it's competitive yet reflective of your product's value. After entering these details, it's time to move on. Locate the next Customize button and click it. This phase allows you to fine-tune your product details. Begin by crafting a compelling description. This is your chance to provide potential buyers with all the information they need, highlighting features, benefits, and any other pertinent information. Additionally, you may want to include a custom URL. This can help with direct navigation and brand alignment. Now comes the visual aspect. Click on the Upload Images or Videos option to add a cover to your product. Quality visuals can greatly enhance your product's appeal, so choose something enticing and relevant. Moving on, it's essential to fill in the product info sections thoroughly. This could include anything from technical specifics to usage instructions. Once done, look for the Save and Continue button. Clicking this ensures all your hard work is properly recorded and saved. As you proceed, there will be an option to add more content if you so desire. This might include supplemental files or even special instructions. Lastly, with everything set and reviewed, you're ready to launch your product to the world. Hit that Publish and Continue button to make it live. Congratulations, your product is now available on Gumroad, ready for purchase by eager customers. Thank you for following along and happy selling on Gumroad.